Among all of God's creation, mammals, reptiles, and insects are some of the most fascinating to study. Earth is filled with abundant creatures, from the highest mountains to the lowest depths of the ocean. Join us as we study the amazing engineered design of animals. We'll learn about body plans, animal kinds, and taxonomy. Then we will learn about animal coverings like skin, fur, and feathers, how animals eat, how they move, and their life cycles. At the end of the challenge, we will investigate the many diverse ecosystems on Earth to learn how animals live and thrive together and fulfill their special service for the life and health of our planet. Throughout this adventure, you will see the loving, creative, and sustaining hand of Jesus as we investigate the fascinating field of zoology. Grab your magnifying glasses and notebooks, and let's continue our exploration as junior creation scientists. But now, ask the beasts, and they will teach you, and the birds of the air, and they will tell you. Or speak to the earth, and it will teach you, and the fish of the sea will explain to you. Who among all these does not know that the hand of the Lord has done this, in whose hand is the life of every living thing and the breath of all mankind? Job 12, verse 7 through 10.